stands for atomic mass unit. What is the definition of molecular mass? It is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in the molecule. The molecular mass of a compound can be calculated by adding the atomic masses of all the atoms present in the formula. Let's take an example of a water molecule. The formula of water molecule is H2O. It contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now I have to take 2 atoms of hydrogen and it is multiplied with the atomic mass of hydrogen plus atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16, and our answer is 18 AMU. We are going to determine the molecular masses of different compounds. First of all, we are going to determine the molecular mass of glucose. The formula of glucose is C6H12O6. This is also a carbon, hydrogen, oxygen containing compound. First of all, I am going to write down the atomic masses of these elements. The atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 AMU, atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1 AMU, and the atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 AMU. For the calculation of the molecular mass of glucose, I am going to apply the same formula. First of all, we having 6 atoms of carbon, they are multiplied with the atomic mass of carbon. We having 12 atoms of hydrogen and they are multiplied with the atomic mass of hydrogen. We have 6 atoms of oxygen and they are multiplied with the atomic mass of oxygen. After multiplication, we are going to add all the terms and our answer is 180 AMU. Let's take another example to determine the molecular mass of sucrose. The formula of sucrose is C12H22O11. That is also a carbon, hydrogen, oxygen containing compound. First of all, we have to write down the atomic masses of all these elements. The atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 AMU, the atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1 AMU, and the atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 AMU. After that, we are going to apply the same formula. 12 atoms of carbon are multiplied with the atomic mass of carbon. We have 22 atoms of hydrogen, they are multiplied with the atomic mass of hydrogen. After that, we have 11 atoms of oxygen and they are multiplied with the atomic mass of oxygen. After multiplying all the terms, we are going to add the terms and our answer is 342 AMU. Now I am going to tell you again, molecular mass is used to calculate the mass of molecular or a covalent compound and the unit used is AMU, and AMU stands for atomic mass unit. For your practice, I am going to give you different questions. First of all, you have to find out the molecular mass of a compound containing 10 atoms of carbon and 8 atoms of hydrogen. Another question, you are going to calculate the molecular mass of a compound containing 2 atoms of carbon, 4 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms